Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is January the 24th and I'm using my easy scalper trading system. It is truly a great scalping system, mainly because there's two excellent scalping indicators. First one is this moving average. It's called the Easy Scalper, and the other one is the one with the arrows called the Super Signal Indicator. They'll both give an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here, pointing you in the direction what you should be at least considering to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer today. Just to let you know, I had some distractions today, so I couldn't have closed it out exactly when I wanted to, but anyhow it still turned into a great trading day and can't complain about that. So from 6 o'clock I'm looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now once I make a decision, depending on how the charts look and the daily trade plan, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor running in real time. It's drilling down the lights from the monthly to the 30 minutes. So gone are the days where I actually have to look at any of these time frames. It'll analyze it for me, and in the comments here, depending on the values of each time frame, make a suggestion, either look for bearish or bullish trades. And some of them are even preferred, which means more strength either for buying or selling. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, and believe me, 95% of the traders out there, they do not have any kind of a daily trade plan. And if you are one of the traders trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, you don't have to look much further to analyze the situation why you are still failing. So this is very important, that you have to have all the proper tools to trade the market successfully. Okay, let's run a check on these trades I've taken. First one was the Dow Jones. Just to tell you that I bought all of them very close to 7:30, and it was around approximately quarter after 11 when I closed out the trades. So a lot of things here telling me it's going to go up. In other words, should be buying, which includes the trade setup. As you're looking at it, did qualify for a great way to trade. Got the arrow, the scalper, daily trade plan. So, and like I mentioned, I had a major distraction around the house, and I would have been better to get out up here, which would be around the same price. But I knew that any kind of a pullback, it was going to go back up, and it can still break the top and keep going. You just have to monitor as to what, either getting in at this arrow, this arrow, this arrow. And of course, if it doesn't break the top, then it's going to go sideways. So I took the money divided by 5, and the calculator says it should be 47 ticks. So let's go and look for that, 47 ticks, and there it is. And that ended up paying out $235. Moving on to the next trade, which is the EURCAD. Wanted to be buying it, and I knew the market could do another cycle. Not a big deal. So let's see where I got in at. When I was looking at it, I knew it could do another more little cycle, but everything in real time was saying to buy. So I bought right on the goal line. It did that cycle that I said it might do, and away it went according to my daily trade plan, locking in, looks like 32 pips, and those pips paid out $237. Moving on to the next trade, which is the EURCAD, another one I wanted to be buying. Did qualify for a great way to trade, so let's see where I got in at. Arrow was back here. Scalper blue daily trade plan said it's going to go up. So I took the trade at that cursor, and it looks like I got out at a pretty good time, locking in about 39 pips. And those pips paid out $289. Moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money and divided it by $5, or 5 I should say. Calculator says it should be 60. So let's go and look for those 60 ticks. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Arrows and scalper, well, from way back here. It's okay if it flickers to red, and then, that's just the way the scalper works. That's why you got to put all the pieces of the puzzle together, analyze the charts, and away it goes in your favor if you do everything correctly. Like I said, it should be 60, and there it is, 60 ticks, paying out $300. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 20. Says it's approximately 41. So let's go and look for those 41 ticks. Everything looking perfect, qualified for a great way to trade. So when I see the charts, whether it's London, Asian, or even New York, there's a high probability you're going to have a winning trade when charts look this good. So what did I say? It's about 41. There it is right there, 41 ticks as you remove the last two digits. And that paid out $824. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, the DAX 30. Similar to the NASDAQ, they move the most, they pay the most. And if you're in this game to make the most, well, I just told you one of the secrets how to do that. Anyhow, on this, let's see, DAX 30. Let's drag and drop this up to see where it got in at. Now I dropped it down to the 5 minutes because it's really hard to get an accurate reading. Took the money, divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 440. So let's see the daily trade plan. Did say to buy. Arrows, the blue arrows. Everything's suggesting it's going to go up. So took the trade here. And let's go and look for that, what I say, 440. Did have it for a half a second. There it is right there. 440 ticks, paying out $1,650. So another great day of trading using my easy scalper. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks, mainly because of this DAX 30. The grand total came to 659 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $3,535. So if your system's not producing like my easy scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions or you wish to buy anything, all you got to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll see a banner, the word more, just click on it. It'll open up another box. You'll see my contact information plus a lot of other information. You can either pick up the phone and call me directly, you can send me an email, or I provided a link. All you got to do is click on it for Skype. We'll have Skype connection, and at that point we can talk live and I can answer your questions, no matter where you live in the world. So, also, by the way, in the description you'll find 4 different packages. Recommend you to get, at least 3 out of the 4. 4 would even be better. And I do have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. So anyhow, I'm at press for time right now, and I definitely have to wrap up this video. So it's time to wrap up this video, and of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.